say what we're doing?
We're heading up to Marathon Lake. It's in the Bienville, however you want to say it, National Forest. We've camped there before, but we've never been to Marathon Lake. So we're gonna go meet some friends there and see what it's about. People hollering at us.
Here we are at beautiful Marathon Lake, out in the middle of nowhere. Just kidding. We didn't even get on a dirt road to get here.
It is in the middle of nowhere.
But it's not.
But it's paved all the way to it.
Yeah. Which is.
And the paved roads are actually rougher than some of the dirt roads.
Some of them were pretty wobbly. Now would be a good time to tell everybody what we think about the Smittybilt now that we've used it several times.
I like it.
Hey there, bud. Whoop. We've been keeping all of our bedding in the tent, and that's been working pretty good. We keep 4 pillows and 4 blankets in here, so when we decide to go camping, that's not something that's taking up a ton of space. So that's pretty nice.
Cicada during its shed.
Oh, wow.
Pat, pat. Good cicada. He's slower than original.
Well, that's because he's got that shed still on.
You can see it kind of flaking off right here.
Stick him on a tree. What are you doing, man? And look how cute that is, little tiny pine cone.
Oh, the burl? The burl.
How old is you? Can you even see him?
Yeah.
It's pretty soggy over there.
Come here.
If you put something down my pants, I'm gonna whack you. I'm telling you, if you put something in my britches,
Somebody worry about your britches.
we're gonna have words. That is a huge grasshopper.
That's a cricket.
There's no way that's a cricket.
Oh,
That is a grasshopper.
gosh. Okay,
Stop. Let's see if I can catch him on video.
It's plague status there.
That is. That's like a locust.
he's a beautiful one.
Good gracious, he's like yellow. Look at his little legs.
He's dancing.
He is. He is not happy about being in your hands. Look at his little red wings. That's crazy. Okay, set him down. Free him and let him go back to his life in the... Okay, all right. Do any of y'all just lie to your kids about stuff? Like, you just say stuff so they'll obey you? What's the best lies you've... I was told that you can't swallow gum because it'll stay in your body for 7 years. I know the best one, but I don't know if you can say it. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your dad told you?
I was told if I swallowed watermelon seeds, they'll grow in my stomach.
Yeah.
I was basically told that if I swim within 30 minutes after I eat, I was going to die.
Oh, that was a big one, yeah. You will drown.
Yeah.
You will drown.
Cannot survive.
Now, I wonder if that's like a southern thing or if that's just like a parent thing. Like your dad lied to you consistently, or...
Yeah, he used to tell me and my brother
we'll call
stuff.
it jokes, but...
Yeah, just
picking
at
you.
us. And a lot of them he didn't correct.
So
He
you
just
were like
left
in
us.
middle school when you
And then,
figured
yeah,
them
we'd
out.
be teenagers or sometimes even adults and we'd realize what foolishness he told us. But I think that's just a dad thing. I think that's something.
Because you totally do it.
I think that's a
'Cause our
responsibility
kids-
of all dads.
Our kids, every time he answers any question, they look at me for
To make
confirmation.
you suspicious when you go out into the world. It's a protection to protect their device.
We are in the sun now.
We'd probably come here a bunch.
We would have. For $20 for full hookup. Okay, so if you have a camper, this is really good.
If you have a camper, you like full hookups. But like she said last weekend, there was one person here in the whole campsite. So
Yeah, they have a campground host.
pretty good chance if you come here and camp. I mean, there's a few people here, but it's not
full.
nearly what you call crowded.
No.
Wow.
Oh, that is so weird.
Wow. Like, look at that. Look at those wings.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to take their shells.
Look at their little wings. How weird.
This one's bigger down here. The one that you're videotaping. But I've never seen them like coming out like that.
See the little short guy? That's who I was really talking about. See him?
Does I have like one?
Update. Cicada update. It's Nat Geo break. So tell me about the cicadas.
They're born in the trees, or their eggs are laid in the trees. 6 weeks later, the eggs hatch. The cicada nymphs fall into the soil. They burrow underneath the ground. They feed on the sap and the roots of the trees, herbal plants and such. They go through 4 molts underground. The 5th and final molt occurs above ground when they have emerged for their particular cycle. They emerge in huge groups numbering millions. When the nighttime temperatures hit a certain temperature, they start to come out. They shed their final skin on a tree, with the exoskeleton hardening within a few hours. Stragglers are those cicadas emerging in an off year, usually involving relatively few insects. Although stragglers can appear in any year, they almost often occur in a year prior to larger emergence. The songs that fill the air a few days after cicadas emerge is that of males producing their mating calls.
Song? They call that a song? That's just straight screaming in the trees is what that is.
Well,
Like it's just screaming in the trees.
at least the cicada lady thing is fine.
Oh look, there goes his wings.
We gotta watch this.
Both of them are.
I'm sure he's like, would you get that camera out my face while I'm trying to do this?
Then he's about to do a sit-up and crawl onto his cicada shell.
The top of the wings are out there.
Barely.
It's two dogs. His bird.
Got some kind of bird down there in a cage.
It's a bird. And he's tent camping.
Yeah.
He came tent camping with two giant dogs and a bird. Like,
That's what our channel's going to become. We're just going to judge everybody for the way they camp.
how is it?
Alright, you gonna catch me in a minute. That's gonna hurt.
Put this in the wheel. Next week's got a whole section.
My little girl loves me so much.
And she does the bloopers that she has. We laugh at every time, which I don't know if anybody else is gonna think it's funny, but she's just so goofy. But
Gotcha. I mean, you. Every time I just sit down on the couch, you just
I'm
wrestle
not
me.
the one running by doing drive-by punches.
Oh my gosh.
what'd you think about Marathon Lake?
I like it. Real pretty, real quiet, laid back.
It was easy to camp.
Yeah.
It was easy. Everything was
Not a real crowded campground or nothing like that. It's real quiet. Nice spots.
full hookups if you have a camper.
Yeah.
So
Not too shabby.
nice, good close-up.
Biscuits in a can.
As a matter of fact,
A close-up of the biscuits.
I'm not a filmer.
Well, about time you learn. A close-up. Why are you getting farther away? Where are you going? Hey. We can't store our kids in here.
Dang.
Thought we had it figured out. You're my hot honey biscuit. If bird guys are watching this, we're not mad at you. We love you. You do you, man. Take that peacock on a plane. I mean, this is America, right? You can do what we want.
My stomach cheek.